Hi, so this is going to be a quick one. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your piece to last longer. What you are going to do is simple. It is simply avoid water. Avoid any type of liquid, be it soda, wine, any type of liquid. Just avoid it. And when you do that, definitely you are going to increase the lifespan of your PC. Take for example water. If it touches a metal, it's expected that the metal will rust. But with PC, it's different because battery is present in the PC. So there's going to be a kind of a chemical reaction. Yeah. That is why on a PC, a whitish patch will be formed on the motherboard. And if care is not taken, that might be the end of such a motherboard. Say for example now, here is a PC, a Mac PC. Yeah. And what happened to this? It was liquid. A coffee, yeah, coffee spilled on it. And since the PC was working, so the person was not bothered. And look and behold, in the next a month or thereabouts, the PC stopped working. And you know what happened? There's, yeah, there's a chip that powers the SSD. Yeah, right here. So it powers the SSD. So the chip got, it was damaged and it got shorted. And as it got shorted, it affected the SSD here. Yeah, so all this, it got shorted as well. This is it right here. Yes, this is it right here. Yeah, because of liquid. And it continued to use the PC without doing anything, without having the PC service. And it affected the motherboard. Okay, so, and with this, the person can now get his content. This PC has to work before he'll be able to get his content off from this. And the SSD is not removed, it is embedded. Yeah, these are the SSDs embedded. Okay, so that is it. Simply what we're going to do is just avoid any type of liquid. Avoid it totally. Avoid it like a plague. So when you do that, you're going to increase the lifespan of your PC. But what if, of course, no one is perfect, that mistakenly liquid pour your PC? What are you going to do? It is simple. Immediately remove the battery. Find a way to remove the battery. If the battery is external, remove the battery. And if it is internal, just find a way to lose the PC and remove the battery. Next thing you are going to do is to take the PC out for servicing. Let it be serviced. And the purpose of the servicing is just to eradicate the liquid that must have entered the PC. Because if you fail to do that, that liquid will be present on the PC and it will be destroying the PC little by little. The effect will not be immediate. It will not be immediate. So it will be causing the damage gradually until the PC will stop working. So instead of waiting for such to happen, immediately, even though your PC is working, immediately remove the battery. And if it's a thing that you can do by yourself, just search how to lose that particular PC. Then you open it up, make sure that the water is clean off totally. Not dipping the PC inside the rice. No, because maybe rice serves as a desiccant. No. And if it rests on the keyboard, remove the keyboard and make sure that you dry the water. And when you do that, your PC will not stop working as a result of water damage. So water damage or liquid damage is a thing. So endeavor to avoid it.